Hi, Austin Zimmerman with Metal Sawing Technology, parent company of Sawblade.com, and now Houston Metal Sawing, premier metal sawing facility in Houston, Texas. Today we're going to be cutting some 718 Inconel. Inconel is a very prized metal due to its high nickel content, so it has good rust inhibitors and high strength. With that high strength, it has a hard Rockwell hardness. So to cut it, we're going to be using our Q1002 triple chip carbide blade from Sawblade.com. This blade here has got a 2-3 pitch, which allows us to cut this 7" by 1.5" wall material in about 20 to 25 minutes of cut. Feeds and speeds on a material like this are going to be right around 70 feet per minute, and then about 1/2 to 1 square inch of material to be cut every minute for your down feed rate. Inconel is very prized and it's used in a variety of different industries. Can be oil and gas, aerospace, and just anything in between with the high strength and rust inhibitors that it has involved in it. And it can come in a lot of variety of different shapes and sizes, from tubing, solid structurals, extruded, just all kinds of different stuff. So if you need any custom cutting, like in some hard nickel alloy, give us a call at HoustonMetalSawing.com or send us a quote. I'm Austin Zimmerman with Sawblade.com, and thanks for watching. And remember, no middleman, no markup, no problem. Go direct.